I am Jamin Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, FEM, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Program name BSc B.Ed, PCM 6M, Course name Pedagogy of Mathematics, and session of today is Teaching Learning Material Using in Teaching Mathematics. So, topic of today is this. There are many definitions for the term teaching aids. According to the dictionary.com, it is defined as material used by a teacher to supplement classroom instruction or to stimulate the interest of student. आशा ये है कि वो मटेरियल, वो वस्तुएं, वो थिंग्स जिनके माध्यम से टीचर क्लासरूम में बच्चों को कंसेप्ट फॉर्मेशन करवाता है, उनमें आइडिया एसिमिलेट कराता है और जो भी थॉट्स प्रोसेस है उसको इम्प्लांट करता है। ये सारी जो टीचिंग एड्स हैं वो मैथमेटिक्स के टीचिंग के दौरान बहुत हेल्पफुल होती हैं। टीचिंग एड्स आर यूज्ड बाय टीचर्स टू हेल्प लर्नर improve reading and other skill, illustrate or reinforce a skill, fact or idea, and relieve anxiety. Teachers are using teaching aid in the primary school and secondary school also. First language, second language, international language, mathematics, environmental related activities, and religion are the main subject in the primary level. Different type of teaching aids used for different subjects. Importance of using teaching aids when teaching mathematics. Mathematics is an abstract subject. Due to its abstract nature, teaching aids are needed useful to facilitate mathematics learning. Hence, abstract concept in mathematics can be learned by means of the concrete teaching aids. The main function of teaching aid in mathematics education is to bridge the gap between concept and facilitate concept formation. Hence, teaching aid in mathematics education can be used to facilitate concept formation, strengthen acquired concept, and motivate student. Hence, teachers should be able to create teaching aid, especially from simple and cheap material. Teacher can get help from his her students to make them. A special teaching aid used for primary mathematics is given here. You have already learned the mathematics syllabus for primary grades in the previous lesson. The whole primary mathematics syllabus can be divided into the following titles: numbers, mathematical operation, measurement, money, shape, space, handling data, etc. Different teaching aids are used for teaching different concepts in primary level. There are some special teaching aids that are used for teaching mathematics at the primary class. Following are few examples: Dines blocks, attribute blocks, abacus, geoboard, trundle wheel. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.